Fort Santiago, main fortress of Intramuros, established by Miguel Lopez de Legazpi on the site of the former wooden fort of Raja Soliman, 1571, burnt during the siege of the Chinese pirate Lin Feng, 1574, reconstructed with a local volcanic tuff, 1590 to 1593, citadel of the armies of four foreign powers: Spain 1571 to 1898, Great Britain 1762 through 1764 during the Seven Years' War, the United States 1898 to 1946, and the Empire of Japan 1942 through 1945 during the Second World War, declared a national shrine and the national monuments 1951, and as a national cultural treasure 2014. This is the Fort Santiago. The gate of Fort Santiago was built together with the military barracks in 1714. It was destroyed in the Battle of Manila in 1945. The Intramuros administration restored the gate in July 1982. The Honorable Carlos P. Romulo, Minister of Foreign Affairs, donated the funds for the relief curving, while Pedro Layog of Betis, Pampanga carved the wood relief. Zacarias Salonga did the stone curving.